Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, chat. How you doing? How you feeling? Hope everything's all right. Hope y'all have had a good morning. So, Reese. We got news in 40 minutes, chat. So, not much we can really do. But brr. Reminds me of Gen 5 Pokemon music or something. Pokemon? Alright, let me change it. What y'all want? What y'all want? What kind of music y'all want? Is this? Bro, got the GBP CHF comp. It's not mainly a comp, it's an intraday sell, but comp sounds cooler. Of course comp sounds cooler, bro. Bro, I want to live in a hotel. What kind of... Alright, boys. We're literally in the same place we were yesterday, chat. Literally in the same place we were yesterday. So not that much has happened. Now, we have gotten some movement. We did have this push during Asia. Dude, chat, I'm telling y'all this again, man. Bard, why are you on Zoom? I have a Zoom call for the VIP members if they want to join, if they want, I don't know, zero delay, if you want to ask something, I don't know. Just for the VIP members. But again, I'm telling y'all this every single time, chat. This happens every single Asia session. Every single Asia session, guys. Every single fucking Asia session, alright? Price either grabs a higher low and then pushes in the opposite direction, right? So we had this high right here. That was created during New York, so there's a New York high. All that Asia did was grab this high and then dump. That's what it does every single time. So, yeah. We had Asia grab those highs, the New York highs, then push down in a steady downtrend like this. We start trading Asia from now on then. Fuck no. So you discovered liquidity grabs. All right, smart guy. Listen, I think this wasn't a liquid. This is not necessarily a liquidity grab because liquidity grabs happen randomly. You don't know if it's a liquidity grab or a liquidity push. How do you know if it breaks the high, it's not gonna push, huh? Tell me that, smart guy. So it's not about it being a liquidity grab. It's about the fact that it happens the same time, the same way every single Asia session. That's the crazy part, is that it happens the exact same, and it's so easy to spot. Now you could call it liquidity grab. I call it something else. But yeah, that's what happens every Asia session, chat. So that's what we did, and now we're just sitting in this range between 66, 63 and 26, 75. So yeah, just waiting for a breakout. Again, there's no real point. There's no real point in doing analysis since we actually have news here in a few minutes. But again, chat, that daily is looking mad fucking nice, chat. That daily is looking fucking juicy. Fuck, man, we have news. Why news always gotta ruin shit, chat? Can somebody explain that to me? Why news always gotta ruin shit, chat? Why? Because that daily flip is looking mad nice. Look at that. Daily almost no bottom wick. But yeah, you are in a downtrend. 5-minute or 30-minute close below. Filled the range down. Came up, retested that breakout. The range that it broke out of. Now coming back down to this comp. Looking quite bearish. Do you have any imbalances above? Kind of maybe a small imbalance. Maybe you'll see like a liquidity grab and then a push down. More than likely, that's what's gonna happen. Yeah, you do have this area right here that you want to tap into for sure. Other than that, oh, this is okay. This is Asia. Nothing really, chat. I'm waiting for us to break below 63. That's literally what I'm waiting for. Waiting for us to break below 63 or to break above 75, just like yesterday. And once we do that, we can grab some positions. Bard, you literally go watch him then, bro. I don't know why you come here. Other pairs, USD nothing. GU nothing. What is this? Oh yeah, it was a comp I marked up yesterday, but did not get activation. Yesterday I had a comp, but it was with an imbalance below, so it was invalid comp right there. Other than that, haven't had any comp this morning. You had one here on UJ, but did not get tapped. Nothing this morning either on AUD/USD. So it's been a very slow London, it seems like. No comps on gold either. I don't know if you had any no-wick plays or any flip plays. The 15 can start closing above this range. I do think you're gonna probably see some more pushes up to 75, for sure. I guess you have it like almost here. Something like that. Something like that. See, have a range here, a range here, and a range here. Now break above, should see a full fill to the range of 275. If you break above 75, then sells from 79 look really juicy. Other than that, This range is way too big, chat. Hold on, let me clean up my chart a bit. So get it from here. Guess you could do something like this. Bang. This range is really nice. Sells below. So we're going to look for sells below 63, chat. Sells below 63 to fill the range down to 57. And this range is a beautiful 50 pip range that we're looking to fill once we close below or inside of it. Right now, again, still respecting this bearish trend right now. But we have news, so... Dude, I hate even talking before news. I hate talking before news. I hate being like, oh, we have this, and trying to make sense of the charts, and then news comes and fucks the whole analysis up with one candle. It's actually not even like... It's futile. It's futile. But it's PPI, so it's not like it's not the strongest news in the world, but again, it is a red folder, so we're going to be on the lookout for that. What the fuck just happened? Okay, no, I don't want to. Core PPI. I don't know what M&M stands for. That's like the candy, I think. M&Ms. But actual greater. So last was neutral. Yeah, no idea, chat. No idea. We'll see. We'll see. I think it's going to be bullish for gold, but that's just my stomach. GN, good night. It's early morning, baby. It's not early morning. For me, it's literally 2 p.m., so it's not early morning, but if you live in the US, it's early morning. Bad Bunny just dropped an album, chat. If y'all want to know, I don't know if you care or, you know, listen to Bad Bunny, but all right, let's see now. Yeah, sells from stack 79 are gonna be so good. Sells from 79. Trickle down afterwards. Just like pure price action wise, I would say you're still in an uptrend on daily. You can't forget, chat. Still in a heavy uptrend on the daily. Like you haven't retraced the move that you made last week. But currently it's looking quite bearish just because of that no bottom wick. So I am expecting the daily to flip. Pure price action wise, the charts is telling me that the daily needs to flip, meaning we need to come bearish. You Loki, I need to get a standing desk, chat. I gotta get a standing desk. Did you get the headphones? No, not yet. I did not have time yesterday to go to any stores. Let me change the music. I'm kind of tired of this kind of music. I guess that's a little better. That's the 5-minute bullish push. Minutes small bottom wick. Let's see if the 5 can close above. 5 can close above right here. Should see a retest and a push up. Fill the range. More could fill the chat. Honestly, the way it's looking right now could easily fill the range up before news. I would not be surprised if that happens. 15 about to close in 10 minutes. But let's see if this 5 continues the trend here. Okay, the 5 did not continue the trend. Okay, 5 closure bearish. Yeah, this 30 is gonna flip, chat. Since the 5 closed bearish and the 30 has a small bottom wick compared to the previous one, more than likely this 30 will flip and fill this wick. Last 2 London sessions that got me snoozing, bro. I can't lie. Yeah, I've noticed that too, bro. London sessions have been ass. This is what happens, bro. I decide to wake up early for London, and now London is ass suddenly. Bro, can't catch a break, man. It's like whichever session I go to, price action just becomes slow. Forex is having like a head and shoulders with a very long neck. Right? So your shoulder line, or your neckline, your shoulder line, and then you have your head right here. Like imagine like a giraffe, giraffe's head and shoulders. That's what we have right now. So again, likes to wick up to 75. 75 is a very strong wick area, but it has tapped that area so many times that I wouldn't be surprised if we break it. But it is a very, very strong area. Now that I think about it, this area is super fucking strong, chat. Look at that. It's almost a decision area. Dump, big move, pump, reject, reject, dump, reject, reject, reject. All right, it's a decision area. Can't lie, it's a decision area at 75. So more than likely 75 wants to get tapped. I wouldn't be surprised if news taps 75 and then you start dumping after that. But have you seen the no wick play at 12? The compensation play, you mean, at 12? This? Yeah, but it didn't get tapped, and it's against the trend. Not the comp. Oh, the no wick, the no wick. The no wick, no wick, you mean? Well, you see where what you tapped into right here? That's what you tapped into. You tapped into the comp. So no, I wouldn't take this. You had a comp against you, and even though it's like there's so many candles in between, and the candle maximum has been breached. Still, I tell you guys this all the time. It's not like the comp. It's not the case that a comp doesn't work just because the rules have been breached. The comp works either way. Like either way, more than likely you're gonna see a reaction when price taps a no wick candle. The only reason we have the rules is for the play. Like if you want to take it, there are certain criteria that have to be met. But either way, price will reject or react at a place where there's a no wick candle. So in this case, even though there's been many candles in between, you will more likely see a reaction here. Right? Is it good enough to take the play? Is it high enough likelihood that you want to take a play? No. But will you still see a reaction because it's still an imbalance that you're tapping into? Yes. So that's why I wouldn't take this. Because of this right here. Otherwise, it's a good no wick candle. It's a really good no wick candle. Range left to fall down. Downtrend, close below. So I would take this no wick if the comp wasn't here. But since the comp is here, obviously you saw that reaction. And yeah. So that's why it was not a bad trade, but that was why it probably didn't play out. Because price will react at a comp no matter what. It will react at a place where a candle has no wick. Damn, we have news. This would have been such a fucking banger play, chat. This would have been such a banger play. That UJ play. Tapping into a comp now, though. But you do have imbalance below. If you want to fill, so more than likely you're going to come down on UJ. 20 minutes left for gold. Let's see if this new 5 can close above. Keeps on retesting that area, chat. Very strong again. Very strong rejection area right here. You see how many wicks there are? Wicks. What do you think of the news? Gold up or down? I think gold up for news. I don't know though. That is a clear guess. I don't know. I don't have any insider information. It's not like I've analyzed anything or I know as much as you. So I'm just guessing up. I don't know. My stomach is telling me up. Low key because of the imbalance we have up, but because of this. I want to see this area get tapped so bad. Because that's a perfect wick. Liquidity grab. Wick. And a completion of the giraffe head and shoulders. But as prophesized, the 30 is about to flip here, which is not rocket science since the 5 did close respecting its previous high, and the 30 has a very small bottom wick compared to this previous wick, so. And after we fill this wick, more than likely news, or I think that's when news is going to come out, and dude, I can even see something like this happen, dude. The comp get respected. Like, no cap. Because we've seen it. We've seen the comp play out even though we have news, which is crazy to me. Which is absolutely insane. Yo, what y'all have for breakfast this morning, chat? I had some eggs and some sujuk. Which I don't know if you guys know what it is, but it's like some kind of meat. Yeah, I've been eating eggs, chat, for... I think eggs has been my go-to breakfast for years now, chat. I can't remember the last time I didn't eat eggs for breakfast. Shit. Vegetable crisps? What's vegetable crisps? Like fried vegetables? Do you have a free signals group? Nope, I don't have a free signals group. I do not. Yeah, fried. Assalamu alaikum. Alaikum salam. BardFx. Same old, but sujuk sandwiches with egg and onions. Oh, okay. Ooh, that sounds good, bro. Damn. Yo, you one-upped me on that one. I can't lie. I only had sujuk with eggs. And some bread, of course. You gotta have breads. And some white cheese, chat. The ultimate Albanian breakfast. And some chili peppers. Bell peppers. I want to try to buy on the news. What stop loss and TP do you think it's okay? For news? I wouldn't buy on news. Okay, so before I tell you where my stop loss and take profit is going to be, I would say don't buy news. That's first. Second, stop loss would obviously be, like, if I were hypothetically in a alternate universe, if I were to buy news, probably have something like this. But hey, I'm not condoning it, bro. I'm not condoning it, bro. Sausages be good with breakfast? Yeah, but I don't like the contents in sausages. They're like super nutrient poor. What's better, making positions before or after news, you think? I think it doesn't matter. I think as long as you wait 30 minutes before or 30 minutes after news, you're good. What's up, Adam? How you doing, bro? Pork is haram? Yeah, true. But there are chicken sausages. Or beef with beef. I'm Gucci, bro. What about you? I'm good, bro. Just tired. Tired of this shit. Tired of this shitty weather. Tired of slow price action. Not gonna lie, chat. Price action has been good. Price action has been good, chat. It just hasn't yielded the plays. You know what I'm saying? Me and Reese been sitting in the call from 10 a.m. Caught absolutely not. Yeah, bro, I know. I saw you guys in voice chat. Sitting in voice chat, but it's been a slow fucking London, bro. It's been a slow London. Alright, we got 12 minutes. New 15 just opened. Currently the 15 just filling the wick. There's some Eda sosis, bro. You can buy them in every Turkish or in store. Also sausage too delicious, believe me. Ah, okay. I'll try it out, bro. Thank you. Bro, I've been getting opposite buy sell for me. When I buy, the candles go short, and when I short, the candles go up. Seems like you're having seems like you just have a bad strategy, bro. Or you're trading emotionally. That's fine. Welcome to QTC, where we change that. Good buys would be from 56, 57 area and sells from 77 to 84. 77 or 84. Yeah, I have both those areas as well. But you also said 56, 57. Yeah, this decision area right here at 50, yeah, 57. I have the same areas marked up, bro. Same areas marked up. But we have news now, so we have to wait. You said news moves 60, 70 pips. Okay, okay. Yeah, I trade emotionally. All right, at least you're honest with yourself, bro. That's the first part, bro. To become profitable, you're honest with your mistakes. You're honest with yourself. Now just work to improve that. But a lot of people are too ignorant to even see their own mistakes. So that's the bigger problem. But try to remove your emotions by using a playbook. or creating a strategy that you follow. PPI can print 200 pip candle. I can't lie. I don't think it'll pip. Depends on how. Obviously, it depends on how bad news is. If news is really bad, that could happen. But in this case, I highly doubt. Morning Bardo, what's up, Dan? But yeah, if news is really bad, chat, or really good, like if the numbers are really skewed, then it can definitely print at least 150 pip candle. Right now, I don't, or today, I don't think that's gonna happen. Oh, price pushing. One thing, chat, that's usually true. Not. I don't want to say it's true. I want to say has happened in the past. Is that price usually can push the opposite direction of news right before news. Meaning, if price starts pushing up right before news, more than likely news will push down, and vice versa. Now, this is not some analysis that I made, or this is not some back-tested strategy. This is literally just me saying something off the top. It's just me chatting shit off of what I've seen. So for example, now price is pushing down, which means that news might come out bullish. Just tap that comp though. This comp would have been crazy. Oh my days, look at that rejection off that comp, bro. Look at that rejection off of that comp, chat. Oh Lord, have mercy, bro. 25 pip candle right there, or 25 pip rejection with 0 drawdown from that comp, bro. 30 pip comp. Yo, this comp is fucking insane. What the fuck? We were in a bearish trend, chat, and shit just popped. Shit just created a, what's the 1 minute? Look at that. Just get a calm little 30 pip candle in less than a minute with 0 drawdown. If that ain't the best play in the world, chat, I don't know what is. Chat, if you can come with another play that's better than the comp play, I'll give you whatever you want. But how do I know when price is going up or down? To know where price is going up or down requires a good knowledge of different market concepts. You have to be able to analyze the market through data that you've collected through the past, and try to somehow predict the future. But it's not one thing. It's a plethora of things. It's a combination of a bunch of concepts, of a bunch of market ideas, of a bunch of different analysis. So start by learning support and resistance, learn liquidity, learn the no-wick concepts, learn some what is it called? Some fundamentals. It was a valid comp. No, it wasn't a valid comp. It was not a valid comp. It's not a, or no, I wouldn't say it's a valid. I don't know. It's hard because it's really hard to see a trend break here. Like, is a trend break up here? Is a trend break up here? Like, this is a really tough comp to take, but I'm just saying the way that the market reacts to those candles with no wicks is absolutely fucking insane. So I wouldn't say I wouldn't take it. So I wouldn't say it's a valid comp. Although it's like this comp is very 50-50, chat. I can't lie to y'all. This comp is very 50-50 because you don't have a trend break, right? You don't have a complete trend break, which would be up here. But you could also count this as a closure above the range. But then again, this comp, if you were to take this comp, it would have been a crazy good RR. Because if you were to take this comp, this would have been your RR. Like usually you'd have a 1-to-1, right? But you could easily have this. Like a 2.5 RR, or even a like 3 RR. Easily. Because right, stop loss is at the break of the lows with a little breathing room right here. And TP would be at these highs right here. So it's a very good RR to have for a comp play. Which is one of the things that we look for also. It's not just our comp plays. Like that's one thing that we added this year. Or the last months of 2024. So one of the things is that now in the comp play, we don't just look for the rules. We also look how good of RR we're getting with that specific comp play. So if one comp play yields 1 to 3 RR, we'd rather take it than a comp that's just a 1-to-1, for example. We got to understand that the move was the compensation play. The move was not Comics Open. The move was the compensation play. Comics Open did not have to reject there. Sure, the volume was Comics Open, but not the move. The fact that we had volume, sure, Comics Open, but the fact that we rejected off of this area with 0 drawdown and put a 30 pip 1 minute candle, that was the comp. When are you dropping an update video for the comp lane VIP, bro? So I just finished this morning. I just finished the PDF. Now I just have to record the video. So I just finished I redid the PDF for the comp. And now I just have to record the video. There's quite a lot of things that we added to the compensation play this year. Quite a few things. Really upgraded the play. It was good. Trust me, chat. It was good before, but now it's different level. Now it's a different level, chat. I've got news here in 4 minutes. Let's see. What do y'all think, chat? I'm thinking bullish. But this is what happens, chat. This is what happens when you have a bunch of driven, ambitious traders working on the same project. Right? Market moves 20-30 pips in one direction usually. Must keep this in mind. Never get in the trade in the same direction when the market has moved 30 pips. No, that's usually a bad sign, yes. That's, in other words, don't enter in an overextended market. But I get cooked last night on a head and shoulders pattern trying to catch a reversal. Have you ever traded that pattern specifically before? No. I've never traded specifically the head and shoulders. I've used it as a confluence, but I've never traded head and shoulders specifically, no. But usually, like, concepts like that, usually you'll get cooked. It's not as simple as the head and shoulders, that's why. So stay away from, like, general market concepts or general market patterns that everybody knows of, like head and shoulders, like what is it called, the teacup, like fair value gaps. Usually you get cooked on those. Hi Bart, how are you? Can't complain. Alright, boys. 36 seconds. What are you guys thinking? Up or down? I'm thinking up. But the fact the market is moving up right before news makes it a little less likely they're moving up and might come down. But again, I'm gonna say up, chat. I'm gonna say up. My stomach is telling me up. Might be wrong though. This is just a guess. Up then dump. 2, 1. I was right. And the compensation play just printed 100 pips. That was just a 100 pip comp, chat. That was just a fucking 100 pip comp, chat. Holy shit. Even with news, it plays out, man. This plays actually fucking like stupid good. Look at that, chat. Perfect prediction of news. Perfect prediction. This is a secret, chat. This is a secret concept that nobody knows about. We're gonna gatekeep this for our community. Alright. Hey, we got Vin in chat. What's up, Vin? I haven't seen you in a while, bro. Not in chat, at least. What you been up to? Bro, I love you as Noah Candle. You are so rare that when I find you, I need to make sure I use you. What the fuck? The market moves 70 pips as expected, Bard in one push. Hey, nice prediction. Nice prediction. Comp work with news. It's actually even better with news. Bro, it's actually fucking insane, this play. Might have to open a news account and just trade the comp news. Life is good. I'm glad to hear that, bro. Again, I still think the daily is gonna flip, chat. I still think the daily is gonna flip. Hold on now. Let me see how news came out. Very bad for the dollar. Super bad for the dollar. Oh no, chat. It's gonna be the same story as This is gonna be the same story as NFP, chat. Five-minute compensation. No, I'm joking. Dude, news came out super bad for the dollar. Like, super bad. We flipped. Chat, this is so crazy. I swear it's this, like, I'm getting deja vu, chat. I'm getting deja vu from, I'm getting deja vu from NFP, chat. I swear I'm getting deja vu from NFP. You think it will back up again? It should. I don't know. It's news. I can't tell you, chat. It's news. It should. 5-minute wick fill at least. Usually you could bank on a move, but no more. Nah, news is weird, chat. This is what happened to NFP as well. Exactly what happened to NFP, chat. Remember NFP? Printed 100, what was it, a 200 pip candle? And then retraced the whole 200 pip candle and then pushed another 200 pips in the same direction. Where is it? Let me find it. Yeah, this. Craziest shit I've ever seen, chat. 150 pip candle. Retraced the whole 150 pip candle. And then printed 200 pips in the other direction. When news was super bad. Or super, no, good for the dollar. DXY is pumping, it has no wick. Dude, only in a world. Are we in The Simpsons, chat? I swear we're living in a reality show. Only in a reality show. Only in a fake reality show, bro, does DXY pump when news is bad. News comes out bad, and DXY reacts as if it was good. This is not real life, chat. This is not real life, chat. We're gonna wait here. We're gonna wait a bit before we start. I feel like commercials deload during news, regardless of what news is, so they decide direction of the move. Doesn't matter. Result. Yeah, bro. It's. I think so too. I think the news. I think the move. The move before news is decided before news comes out. I don't think news has any effect on moves anymore, bro. Because this is fucking crazy, bro. Like, look at this, chat. Yeah, now what the actual fuck, chat? That's a daily flip, right? Yeah, daily just had to flip, chat. Daily just had to flip. I told y'all. What's up, monkey man? What's new? First of all, that's racist. Second of all, what's new is news does not work anymore. News is broken, chat. News is broken. Damn. Somebody said up then dump. Good job. Good job to whoever said that. Yeah, it feels like you're just coming down in your chat. You seems to have zero effect on the market. I'm looking for 2640 levels. Might tap 2657. The way it's looking right now, looking like it wants to tap 2657. No FOMO. Exactly. No FOMO, chat. But we don't have FOMO. We don't trade news anyway, so it doesn't matter. But Bard said, "I feel like it's coming down. It doesn't feel like it's coming down, Bard. It feels like." Okay, when I say it feels like it's coming down, I mean it feels like it's gonna go down further. Obviously, I see that it's going down. Wait, what did you say, Bard? 2637 or 2647? 2657. Fill the range at least at 2657. This range. January has been asked for me, not gonna lie, so far. How come? I mean, January it hasn't been good. It hasn't been yielding a lot of opportunities. It's not. I wouldn't say it's been bad. It's just we haven't gotten the opportunities. That's all. Yo, 1 minute flip, chat. Holy shit. See if we can see something like this happen, chat. Into that zone right there. Yeah, sells for that 67 area look really nice. Holy shit. Combo 33 pip 1 minute candle. Mm, 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 mm. 30-minute just reflipped, but yeah, no, it looks. Liquidity grab on both sides. It's crazy, chat. The 30-minute candle is working hell over time. Yeah, bro. It's been crazy. Manipulation goes crazy, chat. Manipulation is insane right now. All the pairs are now just filling the wick. Yeah. Except gold, because gold doesn't really have a wick to fill. I mean, it has this wick, but since it closed. So it's called bearish. I wouldn't expect it to fill the wick up. I think, dude, I think that daily no bottom wick was just too attractive for gold to flip. I think that daily no bottom wick was just... Gold just had to flip. It just had to. It was too strong. That's what it was, chat. It was way too strong, that one daily flip, bro. Compliment UJ working out? That's crazy, chat. That's so crazy, bro. In fucking insane, chat. In fucking insane. Gold still respecting the trend downwards. Gold still respecting the trend downwards. Doesn't want to break out of this range though. Don't want to break out of that range. Super bearish. Gold is super bearish still. If we look at the time frames, gold is still super bearish. I'm expecting bearish price action on gold. Might see a higher retest. Don't know to where, but I do know that we're gonna fill the range down to 57. I'm confident in that. Does the comp play work on DXY also? I don't know. I don't think so. Never tried it on DXY. Also, how would you even trade like can you even trade like purely the dollar? Like how would you trade DXY? It has to be against something. I don't think you can trade just like trade DXY. I guess that would be just trading things that are correlated with DXY, which I don't know which are. Maybe DXY. No, maybe maybe like NAS 100, like US 30 or something like that. All right, if the 30 can close below the comp, that would be amazing. And then a no wick up, and that would be perfect for a sell. 15 is about to flip. Look at that, still respected the trend perfectly. Right as prophesized. Came up, tapped 56.67 area. Rejected, closed below, and now you're dumping. But we'll see what happens here in this next 5-minute candle. Ooh, that's not good for the 30. The 30 has to close below this yellow line. 30 has to close below here for it to be a valid trend. What's the balance on the front end? 9,780. All right, chat. 5 almost flipped last second. All right, 4 minutes for 30. Let's see if it closes below or closes above. That's going to be the main factor, the decider. You're so smart, Bart. Thank you. What would stop loss be? If you close below, if you want to take a sell off rip, I would go to the lower time frames for a stop loss, bro. Stop loss would be like 69. If you want to take a sell off rip off the 30 closure, 69 would be a stop loss just based off of the 5. I guess that's the previous 15 high. Okay, that's the 15 flip. Now you should see it fill down to 57 here. Once it's 30 closes in 5 minutes. 23 minutes. How much time do you think it will take to pass it? The way it's looking right now, maybe 2 months, 1 month, maybe month and a half. I really don't know. The way, if the market keeps going like this, the way it's trading right now, it's probably going to take up more than a month. If January, if January doesn't get any better than this, then it's going to take at least a month. All right, be ready because we might enter a position here, chat. If we get a top wick on the 30 with no bottom wick, we're going to enter that position. All right, the 30-minute about to close below the most recent. If we get a 30-minute top wick, I'm going to enter that position right here. Chat. That'll be like a... Let's see. Let's see. Come on. No wick play. 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 All right, boys. 14 seconds, 13 seconds, we might get a position. Just need that no wick play. It's just a no bottom wick and a pretty hefty top wick. Like a 20 pip top wick. Never mind. Never mind. We got that bottom wick immediately with no top wick instead. So the opposite of what we wanted. But hey, at least the 5 closed below, the 30 closed below. So it should see a retest now. And once you see that retest, a push down to 57. Especially with like this is still like pretty good no wick play. You can still take this easily. That's a really good no wick play still. Because it's a disproportional wick with heavy bearish pressure, wick to fill, and closure. Good closure below the most recent. So yeah. Why you not take the retest play? Because it's not a part of the playbook. Yeah, that's not A plus exactly. 4 hours close too. Damn. Yeah, 4 hours close too. 4 hours looking real nice to come down as well. Yeah, at least fill the range down, right? At least fill the range down. There's the flip. The price is really unsmooth, chat. Price is really non-smooth. What's what is it called? What's the opposite of smooth, chat? Rough? Yeah, rough. But you can't say price is rough because it's not rough. It's like, it's not move. Like, you know, you see how price is like almost lagging up and down. Like it's just bop, 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 bop. It's not like flowing. What's the opposite of flowing, chat? Rocky? I don't know. What's the right word to describe here? I don't know, chat. Clogged. I don't think it's clogged, bro. Yeah, I know what you mean though. Flowing and clogged, like it's not flowing if something's clogged. Like, it's a good thought. It's a good thought. But I think that's the word. But yeah, as you guys see, my trading view is really like, it's not flowing at all. It's like, you see, but. It's kind of annoying, to be honest. Choppy. I think choppy is the right word. Yeah, it's very choppy. Like chop, 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 chop. No complex in sight. Nope. Aggressive, maybe? No, it's choppy. The price is very choppy right now. One sec, chat. I'm using the restroom. I'll be back in 1 sec. Stagnant, rough, maybe. Y'all think, y'all keep guessing. 1 minute close below. Broke the previous low. Yeah, chat. Just be a pretty simple range fill down. Well, when did we catch this wick fill? Because it's not a part of the playbook. There's no part of the playbook which is just a wick fill. We didn't get a no wick play or any other play, so or not a flip play, nothing. So that's why couldn't really grab it, unfortunately. What's good, G? Just got on the live. Seems like gold retouching. That's 57. Briefly, what did you go through? I went through exactly what happened, basically. So, nothing. The most recent thing we went through is the fact that once we had this push down on gold, and we closed below this area right here, we were gonna see a retest up at 67, which we did, close respecting. And since we're close respecting the trend, what was more than likely to happen was that we're going to come down to tap 57, since 57 is also a decision area where price needs to check. It's an area of interest, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, now buys from 55 does not look too bad, chat. Grab liquidity just below these lows, and if you look at recent price action, 7 is a very strong area. Not even 57, just like 56, 57, this area right here. Buys. Right below this low right here. Grab liquidity, and past data indicates that that's where you want to tap. How's the weather? It's annoying because it's cold, but it's not cold enough. Like, it's cold, but it's not cold enough to the point where it starts snowing. You know, so it's like 5 degrees, 6 degrees, 7 degrees, which is annoying because now all the snow melts. The snow melts. It's not good. And then it just becomes ice. No, it's not good. I want snow. If it's gonna be cold, at least I want it to be snowy. Like, cold and no snow is the worst combination, bro. Like, cold and rain. Like, no. If it's gonna be cold, at least it should snow as well. So yeah, it's here over in Sweden. It's right now it's very icy because the snow has melted and then it became -degrees again, and then everything that melted became ice. It's very icy, which is annoying if you want to ski as well, because I go skiing. It's annoying. You didn't get bored of snow? No, it's hard to get bored of snow. It's really fun, especially if you do things which, like, I have a quad, which I go out with friends, and I ski. So there's a few things you can do with snow. Cheers. Yeah, 57 looking like a strong magnet. Exactly. I want to go snowboarding so badly. Skiing is more fun, bro. Go skiing instead. Bro, does Novik work on scalping? Yes, it does. Snorted? Okay. Send me some snooze veil on my 60 milligrams, please. 16 milligrams? Why you don't have that in your country? $150 milligram minimum? Bro, you're trying to die? $16 grams is nothing, man. Seriously. Yo, 16 grams is enough for me to start floating in the air. So I don't know what y'all doing with 150 milligrams, Chad. That's fucking insane, bro. Like, that's borderline. Like, now you're a drug addict. That's borderline drugs. Like, that's enough to kill a cow, bro. Like, you could take a sell here as well, you know? Like, the spam sells everywhere, chat. As you knew where price is gonna hit 26.75, can you explain the analysis? Well, it's a part. First of all, it's intuition. So I built an intuition from staring at the charts for so long that I kind of know where price is going to hit. Second of all, it's just a very strong rejection area. If you look in the past, rejection here, rejection here, rejection, rejection, rejection. Rejection, 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 right? So you see price has rejected here multiple times. It's also right before the trend break. So I knew that you're more than likely going to continue the trend down since you are in a bear, you have so much bearish incentive. Therefore, I knew that you weren't going to close above 67, right? Closing above the 67 area right here is very unlikely since, again, you're in a heavy bearish trend. And if you want to continue the trend, closing above here wouldn't make sense because then you were just broken the trend. So I was expecting the closure below here. And also you had a very strong previous rejection area on the lower time frames. I'll pop 180 just to go to sleep. Nah, they only go up to 912. I have to import from Sweden to get the good stuff. Damn, 9 to 12 is okay. That's pretty weak. I'll pop 180 just to get sleep. Bro, the thing is, bro, with snooze, it's good. Like, I love snooze. Trust me, I'm a big proponent. I love snooze. It's just that you get so dependent on it, bro. Like, once you start, it's like you can't do anything without it. Every trading session, every workout session, hang out with friends, drinking, like everything, you have to have it with you all the time. That's what I hate. Like, it doesn't feel, you don't feel yourself like yourself anymore without it. Probably see a retest up to around 64, chat. And then a sell off. Yeah, as nicotine as a whole, like kind of not. Yeah, exactly. That's like nicotine. That's same with cigarettes. It's called an addiction. True. Snickers advert. Ah, you're not just Snickers. All right. All right. You just know that snooze accelerated balding because of nicotine? Really? Got the same feeling when I'm not watching your streams. Aww. But I'd rather be a snooze demon rather than a vaping fairy. Fair? Fair. Fair. Like, it's much more masculine to snooze. If you vape, chat, if you vape, you might as well change that. Like, you might as well get a, like, get a vagina, bro. Because the thing is, if you look around, bro, just look around. How many strong skinhead masculine men have you seen go around and puffing on a cherry blast ice vape? None, right? Think of the most masculine men you know. The most high achievers, like the most masculine men you know. And then count how many of them vape. Like, the next step above vaping is just sucking off somebody off. Like, that's the next step. You're super close. You might as well do it. Okay, Andrew Tate. I'm not being trying to be Andrew Tate. This is literally what I think. This is literally what I think, independent of some other entity. I think vaping is super fucking retarded. I'll just be honest. If you're like, oh, I don't like smoking because it makes me smell bad, fine, very acceptable, right? Some people don't smoke because it makes them smell bad, and you know this. You know the smell of smoke is disgusting. Therefore, they say, oh, vaping is better. Snooze, bro. There's snooze with, like, there's snooze with mint flavor, for example. There's snooze with blueberry flavor. There's all kind of snooze. Much better, much healthier for you as well. Now, I'm not gonna sit there and say cigars, because I don't smoke cigars either, and I fucking hate cigars. But better than vaping. I'm not gonna say cigarettes, but in my opinion, better than vaping. Did you say you don't take snooze anymore? I don't, bro. Literally, look. It's full. It's literally full. I bought this to take one on New Year's. I told you guys I was gonna snooze on New Year's. So I took one snooze during New Year's, and now I haven't touched it. It's just sitting here on my desk. Or when the time is right. That's a new one just opened. Nah, bro. Chat. Y'all gotta believe me, chat. I'm done with that shit. I'm a new man. I'm a new man, chat. Y'all gotta believe me, chat. Y'all gotta believe in me. Oops. Bro, why did you have it in your hands? Because I wanted to show y'all. Man, y'all are too skeptic, bro. I would never lie to y'all. Then send me this, man, when you don't take them. But this is just an 8 milligram. So this won't do anything to you. You're making me want to go buy some. Don't Reese. Resist temptation. Take a trade instead. It gives you the same kick. It's like a random ass trade, bro. Same spike. Same dopamine spike. 8 milligrams is a lot as a smoker. I don't know. Is it really? I gave one of my cousins has smoked his whole life, and I gave him a snus from Sweden, and he didn't feel anything. I started vaping, cancel, and started Velo. Cancel, and now I'm clean. Like a cure addict from vaping though, through the Velo. That's good, bro. That's good. Replace something destructive with something less destructive, but still destructive. Make a trade while popping a snooze, double the kick. Bro, you'll reach nirvana, bro. Like you'll reach ultimate consciousness. You'll become one with the universe, bro. What is that? Oh, have you guys seen that meme? Oh, what is it? Let me find it. Yeah, this would be you if you did that. This is how it feels, chat. This is how I felt the first news I popped. See the 5 can close, but almost recent. Oh, it did. It did. Got a 30 closure in 4 minutes as well. Let's see if we get a top wick on the 30. Be amazing. We got 30 opening in 3 minutes. I used to smoke and vape a lot. Got given 2 snooze, I didn't feel shit. But then like a couple months ago after I stopped smoking and vaping, I had one for like 3 minutes and started feeling sick, sweaty, yeah. So you stop or you still do, Mr. Bart? I stopped, bro. I stopped, man. Chat. I don't do that shit anymore, chat. I'm a new man. Now, I'm not saying that it's bad for you necessarily, because I do think some nicotine can be beneficial. Now, I'm not saying be an addict. I'm saying some nicotine in the right amount, right timing can be beneficial, especially if you're like if you have some work where you need to focus a lot. But yeah, I don't know. You ever thought about streaming with Bonka? He's on NQ Minis, but I think it will make for a fun stream. Yeah, dude, I'd easily do a collab with a streamer. Bonka. Who's that? Bonka. Bonkonomics, this guy?
All right, this is my part 2 about how not to become part of the 98% of day traders that fail. Now, in the last part, I said in step 2, you just literally don't have to stop and you need to blow money. Now, on the topic of money, step 3, you need to understand how money works at an instant.
Is he like retarded? Like, not like if he's dumb. Like, is he like off the rails a bit?
What's up, boys? In this video, I'm going to be teaching you.
Or is he like super professional? Like this is how you trade, and no.
So let me trade with Rise. You want to be. Rise is a confluence to this. It's not just a strategy in its own, but London highs and lows if we have nothing else.
What does it trade? He trades
If you're seeing this video, it's probably because you're fucking ass at trading. But don't worry, I'm here to help. For those of you guys who don't know me, I'm Bonka, I'm 19 years old, I'm a college student, and I make all my money in this door. Isn't that fucking crazy? And guess what? Here are 3 simple tips to help you make money in the stock market. Because it's really just simple. It's simple when you really dumb it down. First off, you need to stick to the plan, bro. Every single pre-market, you need to define yourself a plan. If you don't follow that plan, you should be beating yourself up. Because what the hell are you doing, bro? Second off, I have plenty of people in my Discord who predefine their risk every single trade, and they're profitable as hell. If you're not predefining your risk and being fine with losing that money before you enter a trade, brother, do I have some news for you? You're gonna blow that shit. Number 3, you should not be trading your own capital. You're probably a college student. You're probably teenager. Trade to profits, bro. 90.
funny guy. Like his energy for sure. Like his energy. What does he do? Discord, and he's I guess affiliated. $39K followers. Where does it live? Oh, he hangs out with like PB and those guys. Yeah, it's like PB Trading and some other guys, which I don't know who they are. I see. Yeah, these guys are making like they're making a, not living. That's a nice 30-minute candle, chat. I might enter this position if we come up to 64. What I was gonna say was that these guys have made like, are getting a lot of attention in the trading world. Is that new kind of like degenerate screaming trading style? I don't know how to, like, the one that TGR like started with, kind of, you know, like being just off the rails, being kind of just screaming all the time and saying wild shit and not taking it too seriously, kind of like this unserious way of trading and making it like fun. Hold on, chat. We might get a position here. All right, I'm gonna enter the sell if we come up to around 2065.5, around this area. Stops are gonna be above the previous 15 high, and take profit is gonna be down at 57. If we tap it, if we flip beforehand, then I'm not gonna take it, or it's obviously then we already made the move that we're trying to catch, which is a 30-minute flip. Just need a 30-minute to keep pushing a bit. I can move the markets for real. I buy market downs. Yo, you have talent, but yeah, you're gonna make it far. Keep working on that, bro. And just tell us when you sell so we can buy. Imagine chat. Imagine chat. He opens the first ever reverse signals group. Right, the first ever reverse signals group. When before you enter the signals group, the rule is you take the opposite trade that I do. So he loses, but everybody else wins. So at certain points, it felt like I could do that. Like at certain points in the beginning of my trading career, it felt like I could literally open a signals group, call it reverse trading signals group, and I just tell everybody to reverse the signals that I send, and then it made money. Okay. All right, Chad, we're about to enter a position here soon, so be ready. No, don't flip yet. Don't flip yet. Don't flip yet. The stop loss above current candle. Stop loss would be above the previous 15 candle, or the previous 15 high. So this candle right here. If you were to take it from here. So 40 pip stop, 45, 43 pip stop. But it looks like we're going to flip here. If we don't flip, I'm going to take it. But if we do flip, then the move has already been made. The move that we're trying to catch. A plus would be if the 1 hour closes up also. But I highly doubt we're going to do that. I just need to see us come a bit higher than this, chat. Because there is something telling me that we might tap this area. Alright, there's a flip, chat. Never mind. Unfortunately, there's a flip, chat. Very close to position. We came 10 pips away from our position, chat. But hey, the market decided to flip, so we can't really do much about it. Let's see if we got a comp on some other pairs, maybe. Nope, nope, nope. Damn, we're getting teased, chat. We're getting teased. We're getting absolutely teased today. Which is fine. I don't really care. But what play should have been? It would have been a no-wick play. But all the confidence would have been so strong that you would have been okay with a micro-wick. First, you have a decision area that you are very close to. And you guys know decision area works as a magnet. So If you have a magnet, the closer you are to the magnet, the stronger the pull will be. And since you're so close to the decision area, the pull is right now is very strong. That's why gold is having such a hard time coming up. Like, it should start coming up, gold, because look at this. It should start, like, at least do this, but it's not. It's having a really hard time coming up, and that's because the magnet is pulling so hard here. So that's the first very strong confluence. Second strong confluence is just bearish momentum in general. Daily looking to make a steeper bottom wick and has wick left to fill. So yeah, it would have been a micro wick play, but with a bunch of other confluences. Do. You're so underrated, Bard. Thank you, man. I agree, though. I definitely agree. I definitely agree. Not much to do here, chat. Did to your crack name one bad game from LeBron. um... You ever gonna play Marvel Rivals again, or can I uninstall that shit? No, I'm gonna play it again. I'm gonna play it again. Friday. Probably. Patience? Yeah, patience, chat. Patience. Alright. Discipline said patience. We have to have patience. Inshallah, our play will come, chat. We just have to have patience. Now we're gonna wait for this 1 hour to close. Once the 1 hour close, we might see another top wick, and then because I want to see a more decisive, like I want to see a bam, 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 bam. Like that's what I'm trying to see, chat. Not this weird as. Like I want to see him. Yo, I keep on edging the signals members. The last 2 days I've been edging the shit out of the signals members. I've been like, be ready, and then nothing comes. It's not my fault, chat. It's not my fault. I genuinely do think we're gonna get a position. I genuinely did think we're gonna get a position, chat. But I'd love to edge us all. No, not really, chat. I honestly did want to get the positions too. It's not like I don't want to get a position. It's just that the market is teasing the shite out of me. The market is edging me, and I'm edging you. So it all starts with the market, chat. You know? Like, I'm just the middleman. I'm just the middleman. I'm just the middle edger. No week 15. Oh. Okay. If we can tap into, never mind. Dude, couldn't even finish the sentence before we flip. Yo. All right, chat. I was going with the prop. Currently $9,780. So not so good. This has just been a really slow January. A really slow start of the year. Not getting a lot of position, chat. Which firm is that? Yo, what a fun job we have, chat. Didn't stare at the charts all day. Yeah, 56, 55 is a really good area for sells or for buys. I'm gonna look for buys or chat, honestly. Honestly. Something like this. What do y'all think of this position, chat? Nah, you know what? Nah, this looks... Nah, this is... What do you think of this? This is what... In my opinion, this is a way too unbalanced, chat. Way too unbalanced position. Like, this R is fucking insane. Nah, I gotta have a lower TP than this, bro. There's no way. Here. That's perfect. What do you guys think of this position? Think we'll make money? Low key, chat? I'm gonna send this as a signal. I'm gonna hit stop loss. What? Yo, Reese, what do you think, bro? Be honest. Don't lie, you would take this position. Don't lie, bro. Don't lie. Bloody don't lie. Very profitable position. Hi, chat. Let me be serious here for a bit. Let me be serious, chat. Because... oh, my days. Possible comp. Goddamn, chat. Possible comp right now. Oh, my days. Oh, my days, chat. My days, chat. I'm about to bust. We gotta get a composition play, chat. We about to get this composition play, chat. All right, boys. Not bad, you know. Not bad at all, you know. Honestly. What a beautiful position, yeah. What a beautiful position, chat. Or somebody just hit my fucking window, bro. Come on. That's my brother. Scared the shit out of me. Alright, boys. Who's taking this position with me? Raise your hand. Raise your hand if you're taking this position with me. Bro, it's not sexy? What do you mean? What do you mean it's not sexy? What license on the funded account? I don't know, bro. Honestly, I might have to check that out, you know? It's I don't even have it here. What? GPUSD. Okay. Okay. So let's see. We have a Pfizer. Okay. 21702, 21702, 21702, 21702, 21702. Okay. No expiry. SWLZ. We have 21955, 21955, 21955, 21955. Okay, so let's have 0.5. 0.35. Yeah, 0.35 is a lot size, chat. 0.35. Okay. Are you gonna announce the sales group? Yes, sir. Complete also works in the stock market. I don't know. I don't know. I've never tried it in the stock market. Chat, this position is going to bring me generational wealth. It's going to bring me generational wealth. And then once I have generational wealth, I'm going to leave. And you guys are never going to see me again. Alright. 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 Damn. Almost died. I guess it's just a waiting game now, chat. Oi. Okay. Alright, chat. We're about to get this comp chat. We're about to get this comp chat. We're about to get this fucking comp chat. Be ready. Stop loss 1.2195. EP 1.2145. Lot size 0. Funded lot size 0.35. Yalla. Yalla, 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 habibi. Gold is tapping into a really nice sell area. I consider sells on gold all the way up at probably at 67. I mean 67. I think I'm dyslexic, chat. Not gonna lie, I say a lot of shit and I misspell a lot of shit. But that's besides the point. I think 67 is a really good sell area. If we come up on this hourly to 67, chat, I'm gonna sell because we have no bottom wick on this hourly. And 67 is a very, very strong rejection area. So, might get the gold position instead, boys and gal. God damn it. God, we just had to flip and then reflip. That was a fuck you flip right there. Anyways, we got this GPUSD play at least, which looks really nice. Oh, 5. So no 5. Oh, with no bottom wick as well. Chat, be ready here, chat. Be fucking ready here, chat. Don't snooze and lose here, chat. Don't snooze and lose. Alright, chat. We're gonna enter a bit before here, chat. Just because seen this story before. What is gold doing? Gold's pushing. GPUSD should be pushing as well with gold. That's perfect. We have no bottom wick. DXY is currently pushing down. GPUSD. It's my sell right there. And that's the compensation tap right there. Second cross. The second cross, perfect. All right, chat. Now stop loss was at 1.2 1.2955 1.2955. Off it down at 1.445. All right, boys. That's the position. Oops. Simple comp play on the 15. On the 15 with a no bottom wick on the 1 hour. I want to give it a bit more breathing room, chat. Okay, I want to give it a bit more breathing room. All right, that's the position, chat. Simple complex. Let's see now. So we get a very decisive double cross here. That would be perfect. I don't like that 5 closure that much, but our position is based off of the 15, so we are Gucci. If we start closing above the compensation, meaning if we start closing above here, I'll consider closing. 5 minute close looking pretty bullish, yeah, but the play is based off of the lower time frame, so not too worried. Or the higher time frames, I mean. Alright, there's a decisive double cross at least, because the first double cross was a little Now we have a much stronger double cross. Let's see if we can get this 5 close with no top wick. That's gonna be amazing. Put my stop loss above this wick right here. Could be a good stop loss as well, but that's not break of structure in my opinion. In my opinion, break of structure is up here, especially on the 30 and the 1 hour. The 30 and the 1 hour break of structure is right here, because you can still come down, and that'll be still a valid downtrend. So as long as you don't break this high, then on the 1 hour and the 30 minute, you're still in a downwards trend. Same thing on the 15. Gold had a nice push right at that 69 area. Interesting, interesting, interesting. I think that's just New York volume coming in. A bit late, but it's 30 minutes later. But again, if you guys know about the power of 3, you wanna sell above New York Open. So New York Open is right here. This is New York Open right here, and you want to sell above this area right here, above 63. So What's your exact entry bar? 1.21417. 1.21417. 1 point. Can I read? No, that's my stop loss. That was my TP. I'm retarded. 1.21685. 1.21685. So right here is my entry. Right there. See if we can get some. If we can get a flip here, chat. Five close with no top wick, which is good for us. We just need a 1 hour flip. If we get the 1 hour flip, then TP is gonna get hit for sure. Holy shit, gold is pushing like crazy, chat. Might want to create that 4 hour bullish trend. Did not have 57, which I'm really surprised about. Gold is going berserk. So is GBP USD currently. I guess the XY is dumping, right? Yeah, the XY is coming down. You'll see a retracement soon. On gold, at least. Tapping into that area on On GU. Pretty strong area. Rejected nicely off of that area, so we'll see now. Let's hope this position is over quickly, chat, because I see CBA being stuck in a position for an hour. I was just about to call it before we got this.
Of you stealing a truckload of helium?
Nothing to do with the helium was stored.
Oh no, are you the alleged video that leaked of you stealing a truckload of helium?
Nothing to do with the helium.
Whoa. Gold. Calma, calma. Alright, we've got the 15 closing above. We're gonna look to get out of break even here, chat. We're gonna look to get out of break even here, chat. Well, that trade is obviously gonna hit stop loss. Not if we'd break even first. Orange close out minus 0.5% because I do think we're gonna hit. I don't think we're gonna see break even. It'll be very, 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 very rare that you just see a straight push up. Like you're gonna see a retest now that you broke above. Right now that you close above on the 15, you're gonna see a retest, and then on the retest we're out. I'm gonna let him make a call real quick. You better make that call quickly, bro. So move TP to BE. No, you just yeah, you could do that too. Just move TP to BE. Yeah. Or just close manually when you hit TP. Or when you hit BE. What does BE mean? Break even. Alright, almost a break even in chat. If you're break even, close. But I got a bad entry on like I got such a bad entry on the prop firm, so I was not break even there quite. Holy shit, gold is going crazy. Okay, he's done all he can. Okay, that means you got us to break even at least. Nah, I closed with minus 0.35%. That was not smart, bro. That was not smart. You should have waited for break even. Holy shit, gold does not want to stop, chat. Not at all. What is that? That's a calm 100 pip push. Or personally out of the trade? No, I'm not, because I got such a bad entry on the prop firm. On my live account, yes, but not on my prop firm. Not on my challenge. But if you guys got a better entry than me, then you can get out of break even. Sells at 75. Chat, remember that. Sells at 75. On gold. Free signal right there. Trade is annoying me? Yeah, because it's chilling at break even. Or it's chilling at slight drawdown. It's not like we can even get break even and feel good about it. Still has slight drawdown. I'd buy gold and scalp that to the top. Yeah, but where would your stop loss be? That's the problem. If you buy gold now, your stop loss is going to be very huge. So, no, I'd rather wait for a top wick to around 75. Grab liquidity, right? Because crazy liquidity grab. You're going to break all these highs. So many stop losses are sitting here. So just sell right here and you're good. Oh my days, bro. Stop being so annoying. Yo. G was watching the stream, chat. G is watching the stream. What the fuck was that? I'm gonna send a signal for everyone to close full at BE just because, in case they got a better entry than me, because we're super close. So I think most people should be able to get out of break even here. It's just I got a super bad entry because I entered before I sent the signal, and then it pushed up right after I entered. So most people got a better entry than me. Yeah, I'm not out BE, but the position is a BE trade. It's just that I got such a bad entry on my prop firm. So I'm just waiting for that to be. What's the reason for that? I entered before I sent the signal. So I was trying to send the signal right as we hit the comp place, but I entered and then I sent the signal afterwards. So the signal's got a slightly better entry because price pushed right after I entered and right before I sent the signal. I mean, why BE? 15 change of disgusting. Right? You're starting to create higher highs and higher lows on the 15. Close above retest. So we got out on the retest because this is what I'm expecting to happen. But I guess you could hold this, but did they hit your stop loss, Omar? Because you said you had it above this wick. If you had some breathing room, then you're good. Bar, just close it now. Don't worry about me, chat. Don't worry about me, chat. If y'all out BE, be happy. Ooh, a flip play here would not be bad, chat. If you break that high. But I'm so sad my streak is over. Which streak? Your winning streak? After 8% winning streak. Holy shit. Dude, the fact that you can even say that, you should be happy, bro. You should be happy as fuck. That's the fact you can say that. Took a dumb trade on AU. Which one? Which one? This one? Oh, yeah, this one. Yeah. Had imbalance below, bro. Had the imbalance below, gotta stick to the rules. Had imbalance below, and also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candles. While you're out the trade? No. I'm not out of the trade, but hopefully you guys are. But at the moment, I was not out yet because I got a bad entry. I don't know how many of y'all got a bad entry, but I got a BE. Good shit. Maybe we'll retest again. Not sure. At this point, I'm not sure. We have this last area holding us up. But if this area doesn't reject, then probably not. That's the last 1 hour before breakup structure. How's UJ and GU pushing? That's weird. Yeah, GU is pushing even though gold is dumping, which is, or not, because dollar is dumping. Dollar is still dumping, but gold is starting to stagnate, which is a good sign for gold. Means it's quite weak. GU, no sign of stopping right now. We'll have to see some bearish movement on the 1 minute. And you did close above. You're gonna close above this range right here. So yeah, more than likely, like I'm gonna wait for the retest. But if we don't get the retest, then it's just GG's on this trade. Seems like New York volume is what pushed, or New York opens was pushing gold. Guess New York is just reacting to the news that we had. Bad news for dollar. Oh no, good news for the dollar. It should be reacting to the good news for the dollar. It's doing the opposite. Should reject now. You talk about GU. It is at the trend retest, at the trend line test. But again, very slow bearish movements and quick bullish movements, which is never a good sign if you're in a sell. We'll see here, boys. Whatever happens, happens. We have our risk managed. I'm gonna hold till we get a break structure on the 3rd minute, I reckon. So you're gonna hold till you get a closure above 1.21881. We'll see what happens here. Gold, no sign of slowing down currently. No sign of slowing down for gold at all. 75 might be where you want to look for sells. Done for the day. See you, Bard. See you, man. Third does not want to flip, huh? Let's see. I'm gonna stay on stream for another 20 minutes and then I really have to go because I got some shit to do. So let's see. I'll update you guys everything I do about with the position. Personally, I mean the GPUSD is already updated, but I'll tell you guys what I do with my personal account. It's not looking good or chat at all. Probably gonna hit stops here. On my prop account. This prop account is really struggling, chat. Complay is not comping on this account. Missing all the good comps. Had to get out of the gold. The BE is not ripping like it need to. No, gold is moving like nicely. GU is moving really bad. Bro, GU was not a valid comp. Yes, it was. GU was a valid comp. It became invalid the second. Again, the GU comp, this loss right here is not an indication of the comp. It's just that we got a bad entry on the prop firm, so I couldn't get out of break even. But if like the way that I played it for you guys, for the VIP members, for the signals group, is perfect. Like most, if not everyone, got out of break even that listened to the signals. I didn't get out of break even because I got a really bad entry. But the way this was supposed to be played was very simple. The way this was supposed to be played is if we saw 15 break of structure, you would have exited, right? Saw 15, because once the 15 break structure, then you're invalid. You weren't invalid here. You're invalid here once the 15 break structure. Now you're invalid, and then we're trying to get out at break even, but we just didn't get quite that break even. Now, could you say I'm really picky and greedy for not closing when we're $3 minus and waiting for that break even? Yes, that is a fair argument, but again, the play did not fail. The comp did not fail because the comp became invalid here, and this was the point you should get out. So yes, it was a valid comp. It became invalidated when you broke structure on the 15. Since you broke structure on the 15, break even was the only thing you should have looked for. I sent the signal. Practically everybody got our break even. I didn't because I got a bad entry, and yeah, I take that on the chin. It didn't hurt. It didn't hurt you guys. All right, that's stop loss on. That's stop loss on the prop firm. Prop firm is minus 3.2%. Another compensation play. It's really annoying with this prop firm, especially because the entries are super bad every time. I haven't gotten a good entry once on this prop firm. The spreads are always super bad. But yeah, the right way to play this compensation was the way I played it for you guys in the signals, which is obviously 15 break of structure becomes invalidated and you get out on the bottom wick at the retest. Now, if you guys held with me, stupid, you should not do as I do. You should do as I tell you, because as I do is completely dependent on how my entry was, and my entry was really bad. But yeah, that was a play. Unfortunate, but it is what it is. I have one swing strategy. I want to day trade. I want to day trading, so I took one play from your book. Should I do it or not? Yes, you should. I think you should do it. My playbook is scalping. So if you want to do day trading or scalping, you should definitely take a play from the playbook. Gold is losing volume here, at least. But yeah, that's unfortunate, chat. It's really unfortunate. See, 15. Yeah, really strong 15 closure as well. Anyways, boys, that's it for today's stream. I'm gonna call it a day. I've been trading way too long, and I noticed that the trades that I take at the end of stream usually don't play out. So I might end stream earlier nowadays, or maybe start stream earlier and end it earlier, because this time of day, usually at around 4 p.m., 5 p.m. my time, the charts are really ass. But yeah, appreciate you boys. Love y'all boys, and thank you for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow, same place, same time, for another trading session. All right, peace out.